Hello, world students. We are going to go through the Cornell notes for author's purpose today. And I will be using a highlighter for part of it, and then we also need to write in on some sections. So make sure you have a highlighter and a pencil available. Starting with, put your name in that left-hand corner and whatever today's date is, which I know this date doesn't match it, but I don't know the exact date you are doing this, so put in today's date. And then when you get over here to the skill, let's go ahead and highlight. Let's highlight the skill part of it. I can determine an author's purpose in a text and compare it to that of others. So determining the author's purpose is what these notes are all about, making sure that you can answer those questions and figure out why an author has written a certain piece. So the first section here in the middle, the main notes, to determine an author's purpose, just think about PI. And PI is just the acronym that represents, the P stands for persuade. They're trying to get you to agree with them or to do something. The I stands for inform. They're just giving you information. And the E stands for entertain. And this is just for enjoyment. And I don't think this is a new concept for you. I know you've covered this in past grades. So moving on, author's purpose, you should be asking yourself, what is it the author is trying to get me to do? So the author, are they trying to get you to do something? Are they trying to get you to agree with them, to learn something, or to have fun? So let's just highlight those keywords in there: agree, learn, and have fun. And why did the author write this text? That's what you need to ask yourself when you see an author's purpose question. What were they trying to accomplish? So why, and write, and what were they trying to accomplish? Let's highlight that word accomplish. And as we go down, when we read multiple texts on the same topic, we can compare and contrast the purpose between the text. Is this author trying to change my mind about what another author has told me? So let's just highlight in here, change my mind. Okay, and let's put our highlighters away and move to the left column. And on the left column, you'll need your pencil. And this is just summarizing what those middle notes were that we just went over. So it's bringing out the main points. When we compare and contrast two things, we tell, so you are going to be, whatever I type, you are writing. We tell how they are alike and different. When we compare and contrast two things, we tell how they are alike and different. So this is if we were thinking of comparing two different articles or two different writings about the same topic. You might have one that's informing you and one that's persuading you. An author's purpose is why they wrote the text. Why did they write it? Oh, my red didn't show up, huh? That's okay. The author's purpose is why they wrote the text. Did they try to persuade us? Are they trying to inform us? Are they trying to entertain? And the last section here on the side notes, see if I can get the red one up. There we go. Different authors might have different purposes for writing about the same topic. I'm going to move this up just a little. Mine don't quite fit on those lines really well. Different authors might have different purposes for writing about the same topic. They might want to change how you feel about something. Okay, so our side notes are complete. If this went too fast, go ahead and pause it and then continue on. Okay, let's fill in the summary of our author's purpose notes. You'll fill in with your pencil, and hopefully you'll have enough room in all these spaces to write the phrases that are needed for the summary. Authors write with a purpose in mind. This may be to inform us about a topic, to change our minds about an issue, or entertain us. Two or more authors might write about the same topic, but have very different purposes for writing. And I know you probably need to pause this so that you can fill all of these in, but this wraps up our author's purpose notes.